Inventory planning is not just a back-end function, it's the heartbeat of a business's ability to meet demand, satisfy customers, and stay profitable. In today's fast-moving global marketplace, managing inventory effectively is more important than ever. But how exactly can a business optimize its inventory planning? Let us break it down. Why is inventory planning so important? Inventory planning means estimating the right amount of product to stock to meet future demand, while avoiding the trap of overstocking. When done right, it brings several benefits. First, it leads to cost savings. By reducing both overstocking and understocking, businesses avoid unnecessary warehousing fees and lost sales opportunities. Second, it improves cash flow. Money isn't tied up in unsold products, allowing for more flexibility in spending. Third, it boosts customer satisfaction. When customers find what they want in stock, they are more likely to return. Best practices to optimize your inventory planning. Here are some of the most effective strategies to help you plan smarter. Optimize inventory turnover rates. One key metric in inventory management is the turnover rate. This shows how many times inventory is sold and replaced in a given time frame. A higher turnover rate usually means products are moving efficiently and your stock is well aligned with market demand. If your turnover rate is low, it may indicate overstocking or poor sales. To improve this, try using models like economic order quantity, also known as YOQ, to calculate ideal order sizes, or the just-in-time or JIT model to reduce excess stock by ordering only what is needed. Define clear roles and responsibilities. Effective inventory planning requires collaboration across several roles. The inventory manager oversees stock levels and key performance indicators, or KPIs. The demand planner forecasts customer needs using data. The supply chain manager ensures smooth coordination between suppliers, warehouses, and delivery channels. Use the right inventory models. Several inventory models can support optimization. Just-in-time JIT focuses on receiving goods only when needed, which reduces storage costs but may lead to risks if demand spikes or suppliers delay shipments. Economic order quantity YOQ calculates the most cost-effective order size, assuming stable demand and costs. First in, first out FIFO ensures older stock is sold before newer stock, especially important for perishable goods. Reorder point rule helps determine the exact time to reorder based on forecasted demand and lead times. Optimize your supply chain. Inventory planning is deeply tied to supply chain performance. You can improve efficiency by building strong relationships with suppliers, adjusting inventory based on regional warehouse demands, and aligning stock levels closely with real-time demand. Also, determining optimal reorder points and quantities can help you avoid excess or insufficient stock. Track key performance indicators (KPIs). Use KPIs to evaluate and refine your inventory strategy. Some of the most important KPIs include inventory turnover rate, stockout rate. High stockout rates show you're not meeting customer demand. Order accuracy rate measures how often customer orders are fulfilled correctly. Carrying cost of inventory tracks the cost of holding unsold inventory, including warehousing, depreciation, and insurance. Invest in technology. Using inventory management systems, also called IMS or Enterprise Resource Planning software, also known as ERP, can streamline your operations. Look for tools that provide real-time data tracking, multi-channel integration, automated demand forecasting. These features help ensure stock is tracked accurately, sales channels are integrated, and future demand is forecasted more reliably. Common challenges in inventory planning. Despite best efforts, businesses still face hurdles such as inconsistent tracking across systems, especially when using spreadsheets or multiple platforms, inaccurate data due to manual entry errors or outdated information, fluctuating demand that is difficult to predict, especially in fast-changing markets. The role of freight forwarders in inventory planning. Freight forwarders play a crucial role in helping businesses optimize inventory. They offer efficient coordination between manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers, management of shipping and lead times to reduce delivery delays, negotiation of shipping rates to control transportation costs, simplified global supply chains by handling customs, multimodal transport, and regulations. Partnering with experienced freight forwarders like Foresmart ensures your inventory keeps flowing smoothly across borders. Conclusion. In summary, inventory planning optimization is essential for reducing costs, improving efficiency, and delivering a better customer experience. With the right strategies, technology, and logistics partners, your business can stay competitive in a constantly shifting market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below with your own inventory planning tips, and subscribe for more logistics and supply chain insights. Partner with Foresmart for smarter, smoother global shipping.